We're talking tree stand safety. Falls from elevated hunting positions are the #1 cause of hunting incidents in the state of Indiana. When we're getting in, getting out, putting up, or taking down are when most of these incidents occur. Indiana conservation officers and Indiana Hunter Education wants you to wear a full body harness from the time you leave the ground, during your hunt, and until you return to the ground safely. We want you to stay connected, Indiana.
Ladder stands are an easy way to get up off the ground. Here are some basic safety rules to consider when using this type of tree stand. Pick the correct tree. Make sure it is a live, straight tree of proper size for the stand that you are using. Be aware of the trees surrounding your stand location for potential hazards as well. Use at least 3 people to erect or take down the stand. Use the supplied crisscross straps and stabilizer bar as directed in the owner's manual. While 2 people hold the ladder, the 3rd person slowly climbs the ladder, leaning with his weight forward and maintaining at least 3 points of contact while climbing. When you have reached the platform, secure yourself to the tree using your tree tether and tree strap of your full body harness. After you have the stand secured to the tree, you will need to install a tree stand safety rope like a Lifeline or similar product as part of the installation process and transition to it before climbing down. Stay connected to the tree the whole time using a full body harness and a tree stand safety rope. Connect your harness to the tree stand safety rope before you begin to climb the ladder. While climbing the ladder, maintain at least 3 points of contact at all times. Move the prusik of the tree stand safety rope up as you climb. When moving the prusik, do not grab the knot itself, slide your hand above or below it. When you reach your desired height, reposition your tree tether to head level or higher so that there is little or no slack when seated, and begin your hunt. Pull all of your equipment up with a haul line. Any firearms brought up should be unloaded with the action open and muzzle pointed in a safe direction. When you have completed your hunt, unload your firearm and use that haul line to lower it back to the ground with the action open and the muzzle pointed in a safe direction. Also then lower any equipment you have with your haul line. Descend slowly, moving the prusik of the tree stand safety rope down along with you as you slowly go down the ladder. Maintain at least 3 points of contact while descending as well. Once at ground level, disconnect from the tree stand safety rope.
We hope some of these tree stand safety tips will help you have a safe and successful hunting season. We want you to always wear a full body harness and stay connected, Indiana.